Hi there, it's Josh here, the Classic Competition Company, and we're out here with another awesome prize. This is a Yamaha DT400. You can win this bike. It's been drawn on the 9th of March and it's been drawn at 9 PM. Tickets will be $2.99 and they'll be on the website, which is theclassiccompetitioncompany.com. What I'm going to do now is just show you how to start it. So as you can see, it's all in very nice condition. Looks to be, or have been restored. Because it just looks too good for an enduro bike to have not been rebuilt at some point. It's quite simple to start. It's just ignition on up here. Even if it has no battery, it will start. It must have some sort of point system. And then you've got a fuel tap on the left hand side here, and you've also got your choke lever here. Now it does like to kick a bit, so you need to give it a good hard kick with some good boots on as well. But it's just a bare metal kick start, and if you've got like a really thin sole or no ankle protection, it can hurt quite a lot. So it hasn't got loads of compression, but you need to kick it quite quickly and hard, otherwise it will kick you back, like I said. So we're on run. Just like to maybe turn it over once just to get the fuel going round, and then just give it a really kind of hard aggressive kick and it should start. He says it's a bit hard going up here. I'll hold the brake in a bit. There we are. Quite an aggressive two-stroke. It's got a very powerful, noticeable power band. There's kind of all or nothing, so you have to be careful. If you're going around a corner and you hit the power band, it could spin out. But you just give it a tiny bit of throttle and it will rev out. Stays upright. So it's off the choke now and it's ticking over okay, so you just need the choke on when you're starting it. They need warming up a bit. They're drum brakes and they're not very good for how powerful the engine is. Before we raffle this one off, we'll probably just make sure the brakes are as good as they can be. I had a little ride round earlier and it felt like the engine was a bit too powerful for the brakes. So yeah, so knock your fuel off, let it run out ideally, and your ignition, and there we are. Nice example of a Yamaha DT400. Like I said, if you fancy your chances on this, you could win it for $2.99. Just go to the website, it's theclassiccompetitioncompany.com. If you do enter, thank you very much and good luck.